Independence Mine is off the beaten path. Our tour guide, Dowie, took us there because she learned that we loved history.
We do love history. We're always looking for good history. Independence Mine is an abandoned gold mine set in the spectacular Talkeetna Mountains and stands as a testament to Alaska's rich gold rush history.
Independence Mine is located at the top of Hatcher Pass, a photogenic alpine passage that cuts through the Talkeetna Mountains in the Matsu Valley. The scenic journey above the tree line and exploring this intriguing 761-acre park make for a fun afternoon. Me and G explored the mine and the surrounding area on foot. We visited 3 of the historical buildings opened up to visitors.
The mine's manager's house now serves as a visitor center and features a simulated mining tunnel displaying gold mining methods, panning, placer mining, and hard rock mining, and other interpretive exhibits.
From the center, visitors follow the hard rock trails past other restored buildings in the complex, a timber shed, a warehouse, the collapsed mill, mess halls, and bunkhouses.
The essay office is now a museum with displays on essaying, restoring, and other mining techniques.
The high point for many, literally, is climbing the trail to the water tower portal, where there is a great view of the entire complex and a blast of cold air pouring out of the mountain.
Yes, nothing like that cold air. The Hatcher Pass area surrounding Independence Mine State Historical Park is a favorite for summer hiking, backpacking, and berry picking. But remember, if there's berries, there's bears, so you better be careful in the bears.
Your eyes open.
Yes.
In winter, a network of a cross-country ski trail are groomed across the mine buildings. The area is also popular for backcountry skiing, snowmobiling, and sledding.
We didn't do any of that.
No.
We were there in the summer. Want to see more of our adventures? Click here.
We'll see you here next time on Mimi and G.
Without the bears. No berries.
No bear.
No berries.
No berries, no bear.
No berries, no berries. We're anti-berry.
Sorry if your name is Barry.
Well, I like some berries, but no, I don't. The bear berries, no, it's not good. Doesn't work well for us.